Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board, and you were given this picture. I wrote a little bit over it. You want to find what's in red, X and Y. So you're given this length was 800. You were given this angle here was 10 degrees, and this angle here was 35, and this was a right angle here for this outer one and this small one. So you can calculate the angle here. It's just be the difference in these two, 35 minus 10. So this oblique triangle in here, this angle's 25. And you can also calculate this angle here. Well, if this angle's 35 and that one's 90, then these two, this one would be 90 minus the 35, 55. And finally, if we look at this triangle inside here, this last angle, 180 minus the two angles, it's 100 degrees. So I just took this triangle here and redrew it. So it's 35, 55, and 100, and that's 800. And I used the law of sines to calculate X and Y. Now, you could work this otherwise. You do have a right triangle. I started by, I think, about finding A, B, and D, but then I thought that would take longer. This is a little quicker using the law of sines. So, the unknown Y over the sine of 35 would equal 800 over the sine of 100. Multiply each side by the sine of 25, put it in my calculator. Then for X, be X over the sine of 55 would equal 800 over sine of 100. And multiply each side by sine of 55 degrees, and I also have the X. Hope this helps.